Hi guys, it is Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site. Today we have this ZEEKR 7X. And we will install a dash camera with the battery box. We have the BlackVue Elite 10 4K, and we have also the Energy Well Battery Pack P6. So the battery pack actually will power up the camera 24/7. So we will hook it up the front in the fuse box, so it will be charged, and then when you turn your car off, it will power up our camera in parking mode. So we're gonna install the battery pack right here at the rear, easy accessible in this compartment. So we will not have any connection to the car battery while in its parking mode. So let's get started. So another installation finished. Everything went very well. As usual, we clean up the space, put everything in order. So here in the rear end, you can check out the voltage on the battery box. You can turn it on and off from this point right here. It's time to close it and deliver it to the customer. ZEEKR 7X, fully electric. Thanks for watching.